Today we will learn 30 useful words about a village, with Urdu meanings, to improve your English vocabulary. Village.
Village, गांव,
A small community in the countryside. Cottage.
cottage, छोटा घर, कच्चा मकान,
A small house, usually in a village. Farm.
farm, खेत,
Land used to grow crops or raise animals. Barn.
जानवरों का गोदाम,
A building for storing crops or animals. Field.
field, खेत,
Open land for farming. Well.
well, कुआं,
A deep hole to get water. Harvest.
harvest, फसल काटना,
The time of collecting crops. Pasture.
pasture, चरने की जगह,
Land covered with grass for animals. Stable.
stable, stubble,
A building for horses. Pond.
pond, तालाब,
A small water body. Hut.
hut, झोंपड़ी,
A very small simple house. Plow.
plough, हल,
A tool used for farming. Crop.
फसल,
Plants grown for food. Flock.
flock,
A group of sheep or birds. Hay.
hay, खुश घास,
Dry grass for animals. Orchard.
orchard, बाग,
Land with fruit trees. Bell tower.
bell tower, घंटी वाला मीनार,
A tall structure with a bell in the village. Village square.
village square, गांव का चौक,
The central open area in a village. Countryside.
countryside, दही इलाका.
Land outside towns and cities. These were 30 village vocabulary words with Urdu meanings. Keep practicing and learning new words every day. Ox.
Bill,
A strong animal used for pulling carts. Cart.
बैलगाड़ी,
A vehicle pulled by animals. Riverbank.
दरिया का किनारा,
The land beside a river. Meadow.
सब्ज चारगाह,
A grassy field with flowers. Fence.
बाड़,
A wooden or wire boundary. Mill.
चक्की,
A building where grain is ground. Bridge.
पुल,
A structure to cross water or land. Village market.
गांव की मंडी,
A small place to buy and sell goods. Chimney.
चिमनी,
A pipe for smoke to escape from a house. Path.
पगडंडी,
A small road in a village.